Hey everyone, welcome back to Compare and Conquer. Shopping for a laptop can feel like diving into an endless sea of options. But don't worry, I've done the research for you. Today, we're looking at 5 of the best budget-friendly laptops you can get in 2025. These picks are perfect for work, school, or just everyday browsing. Let's jump in. First up, we have the HP Chromebook 14, sitting in the $200 to $300 range. This laptop is designed for simplicity and ease of use, making it a top choice for first-time users. People love how fast it starts up, and that Chrome OS handles all updates automatically, no tech skills required. It's perfect for web browsing, checking emails, and streaming videos. One thing to note, it doesn't run Windows programs, and the storage is limited to 32 to 64 gigabytes, so it's best for users who store files in the cloud rather than on the device. If you're big on Google Docs, Drive, and Gmail, this is an excellent pick. Next up, we have the Lenovo IdeaPad one, priced around $300 to $400. This one's great for anyone who prefers Windows over Chrome OS, but still wants something affordable and easy to use. Users say it's a breeze to set up and handles everyday tasks like document editing, video calls, and web browsing well. But keep in mind the base model has 4 gigabytes of RAM, so heavy multitasking may slow it down. Also, the screen isn't the brightest, and battery life is reported at 5 to 6 hours, so it's not ideal for long unplugged sessions. But for a reliable, low-cost Windows laptop, it's a solid pick. Now, if you want a larger screen and a bit more power, the Acer Aspire 5 is a great mid-range option in the $400 to $500 price range. This one features a 15.6-inch Full HD display, making it an excellent choice for streaming and work. Users love that it runs smooth even with multiple browser tabs open, and the keyboard is super comfortable for long typing sessions. One key feature, some models allow you to upgrade the memory, so if the base RAM feels limiting, you can expand it for better performance. Battery life varies from 6 to 9 hours, depending on how you use it. The fan can be a bit noisy, but overall it's one of the best value laptops at this price. By the way, if any of these laptops sound like a good fit, check out the links in the description. Using those links helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and I really appreciate it. Moving into the $450 to $600 range, we've got the ASUS VivoBook 15, a laptop known for its sleek modern design. At just 3.7 pounds, it's lightweight and great for portability. It performs well for web browsing, streaming, and daily tasks, but it's not ideal for demanding multitasking. The base model struggles a bit when running several apps at once. Battery life is a solid 6 to 8 hours. But one common complaint is the built-in speakers, which many users find too quiet. If sound quality is important to you, you might want to use headphones or external speakers. For those who value style and portability, the VivoBook 15 is a great pick. Just keep in mind its limits when it comes to heavy workloads. And finally, our best overall pick, the Dell Inspiron 15-3000 series. This laptop sits in the $500 to $600 range and is one of the most recommended budget-friendly models for 2025. Users love its sturdy build and smooth performance for daily tasks, making it an excellent choice for students and professionals. The keyboard is comfortable, great for long hours of typing. However, battery life is around 5 to 6 hours, so it's not an all-day laptop. Some base models come with slower eMMC storage, so if speed is a priority, look for a version with an SSD upgrade. Also, the screen is decent but not super vibrant. Colors can look a bit washed out compared to premium displays. Still, if you need a reliable, well-rounded laptop, this is the best pick for the price. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 budget laptops for 2025. If you're interested in any of these, check out the links in the description. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Which laptop do you think is the best fit for you? Let me know in the comments. And if this video was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.